Welcome, in front of me is a LENOVO Tab M10 and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. And to get started, hold power key, select power off and wait for the device to shut off. Now once it's off, you want to hold the power key, volume up and volume down, so basically all the keys. And you want to hold them till you see the Lenovo logo, at which point you can let go. And from here, using volume keys, you want to select wipe cache partition right here and confirm with power key. And select yes. And that's about it. You can see right here, cache wipe complete, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so all you need to do now is press power key once more, and this will initiate the reboot, which will bring you back to Android. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.